Hi, in this video I'm going to introduce full and half duplex, and we will talk more about full and half duplex when we talk about Ethernet. So first of all, there's three basic duplex transmissions: simplex, half duplex, full duplex. We usually just refer to half duplex or full duplex, and let's get into this and we'll talk about the difference here. So simplex transmission is if I have a device here and a device here and some kind of medium connected to it, simplex is one way and one way only. So that might be something like when your device sends information to its external monitor. It's going one direction and one direction only. Okay, we usually don't refer to duplex transmission or simplex transmission too much. Half duplex transmission. What half duplex transmission is either way, but only one way at a time. So I can go from, let's go from A to B here. I can go from A to B, or I can go from B to A, but I can't go both directions at the same time. So either A can be transmitting to B, or B can be transmitting to A, but not at the same time. Otherwise, we have what's known in Ethernet when we get there, known as a collision. Okay. And by the way, half duplex, you still see it around a little bit in Ethernet, but Ethernet, half duplex is only seen in Ethernet when we are dealing with something called Ethernet hubs, which you should get rid of. Okay. So let's talk about, let me do a different drawing here. Two devices here. Let's put A and B. And what full duplex is both ways at the same time. So A can be sending to B and B can be sending to A at the same time. So full duplex transmission is what we see in most cases nowadays and is what's mostly commonly found in Ethernet. So with Ethernet switches, do full duplex. Okay, and we'll talk more about this in Ethernet, but this is all negotiated between the Ethernet NIC card and the Ethernet switch, or between two Ethernet NIC cards. Typically, they're connected via a switch. Oops, that doesn't look too good. Let me write it better. There we go. So either we're connected from NIC card to a switch and the other NIC to a switch, or the NIC cards, not very commonly, but could be connected directly. But anyway, typically nowadays, the NICs and the switches, it's all full duplex, so we don't have to worry about collisions. So as you can see, the transfer of information will happen much faster with full duplex over half duplex. Again, we'll talk more about all that when we get into Ethernet.